I know many students are starting school again after a long break. So my colleagues and I have created these videos to help you through your first few assignments. These videos will aid you if you need tips on how to approach your assignments as you return to an academic setting. Let's start by scanning the assignment. There's an explanation of discussion participation, followed by instructions for the assignment. The prepare section shares what we need to do before beginning the post. We then have some headers along with what we should write. Next, there are guidelines for our responses. There's also a tip to view the rubric to see how we will be graded on the assignment, along with instructions for how to use the editor. Let's take a look at the rubric. So here we can see how we'll be graded on the assignments and how much points there are for each section here. Start by working through each item on the prepare section. This part will give you insights into your values and priorities, which will help shape your introduction. First, in section 1-1, you'll work on identifying your values and priorities. Use the worksheet provided to reflect on what matters most to you. Don't forget you have access to audio, PDF, and text files of the textbook through this drop-down menu. Next, you'll read 21 examples of the best personal mission statements, where you'll see how well-known individuals articulate their values and missions. These examples can inspire your own reflections. Lastly, watch comedian Michael Jr.'s video on knowing your why. He shares how understanding your purpose can drive your success, which is a powerful concept as you embark on this course. In your career interests, think about how understanding your why from the video can relate to your professional goals. This shows that you're integrating purpose with your career path. When planning for success, incorporate strategies that align with your personal mission statement or values. For example, if you value education, share how you'll prioritize learning. Select a mission statement from the article or elsewhere that resonates with you and explain why. When explaining why you chose UAGC, connect it to your purpose or why, as stated in Michael Jr.'s video. This demonstrates how your learning shapes your educational decisions. Lastly, when you engage with classmates, find ways to relate to their posts by referencing shared values or purposes. Building connections reinforces community and enhances learning. There are prompts included to help if you aren't sure what to say. Good luck with your introduction post. Make it a habit to incorporate your learning in all your assignments. I look forward to seeing you connect and engage. Let's make this a fantastic start to the course.